A carbide burr tool is widely used in metal fabrication shaping because it provides precise, controlled material removal when working with steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and other metals during custom fabrication projects. Fabricators often need to modify raw stock or preformed components to achieve exact dimensions, smooth transitions, or complex contours, and a carbide burr tool mounted on a die grinder allows them to do this with a high level of accuracy. Its sharp, aggressive cutting edges are capable of quickly removing material while still giving the operator fine control over depth and direction, making it ideal for shaping brackets, housings, frames, and structural components that require both strength and precision. In metal fabrication shaping, a carbide burr tool is especially valuable when refining edges, blending welds, and creating smooth transitions between joined parts. After pieces are cut, welded, or machined, they often require additional shaping to ensure proper fit and alignment. The carbide burr tool allows the fabricator to gradually sculpt metal surfaces, removing high spots, correcting imperfections, and adjusting geometry without the need for large-scale grinding equipment. This is particularly important in custom fabrication work where no two parts are exactly the same, and adjustments must often be made by hand to achieve a perfect fit. The tool's ability to reach tight corners, curved surfaces, and internal cavities makes it essential for detailed shaping work that larger grinders cannot easily accomplish. A carbide burr tool also plays a key role in refining the aesthetic quality of fabricated metal components. Beyond structural accuracy, many fabrication projects require a clean, professional finish before painting, powder coating, or final assembly. The carbide burr tool helps smooth rough edges, remove machining marks, and blend weld seams into surrounding surfaces, resulting in a more uniform and visually appealing final product.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.